Removing or customizing the footer in Weebly depends on the type of site you have and whether you're using the free plan or a paid plan. Here's how you can do it. Log into your Weebly account. Go to weebly.com and log into your account. Access the website editor. From the dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Navigate to the footer. Scroll down to the footer section at the bottom of your website. The footer typically includes elements like copyright text, links, and the Weebly branding. Remove or edit footer content. Remove text or links. Click on the footer text or elements you want to change. You can delete or edit them directly in the editor. Customize the footer. You can also use the editor's options to replace the footer content with your custom text or links, like your company name or social media icons. Save your changes. After making your desired changes or removing footer content, click Publish in the top right corner to apply the changes to your live site.